I've made a few of these videos over the years, but this is my updated 2026 mini calendar. I just did this new design and I'm going to show you how I make it with a magnet. So if you get my files off of Etsy, there is a cover page and then 2 pages for the months. You can see there's some cut marks to follow. I have those on the calendar dates as well. First up, this is on a cardstock. I'm going to use a laminate sheet to make it just like a bit thicker and shiny. So with this particular sheet, I like to kind of get it going a little bit this way. And at the bottom, I line it up kind of square. I have a roller, but you could also use like a squeegee or a credit card. And I grab the lip right here, and with my roller, just push down the middle. And then work my way out. Okay. And then you just get to cutting out your covers. So line up the crop marks at the top and the bottom of the sheet. Put a good amount of pressure on your ruler. And then I'm just using a standard X-Acto blade. And I go across the same way for all cut marks, and then turn to do the other way. Now, if you're worried about getting outside the lines, or if you mess up, you can rotate your mat so that the blade is only cutting on the opposite side of your artwork. But I'm feeling pretty confident today, so I'm just going for it. Alright, and then I'm just going to do the same thing all the way across the other way. If you can hear little sniffing noises, that is my dog. He's looking for snacks. He's going to be very disappointed because there aren't any. Okay, so pick up the covers, and then what's left, just toss out. Okay, and then here's the month sheets. So there's fewer cuts on these because there's no bleed to account for. But the same method follows. I'm going to go this way first. on this one where it's not stuck down, I do find it easier to just flip it around. Alright, so I want to flip it, but I'm going to make sure these months are in order so it's easier for later. Yeah, just one more sheet to cut out. I didn't say these months are just on standard paper. Okay, part 2. Make sure your months are in order. So with the date at the bottom, I'm going to fold the cover in half. And this is called a boning tool. You can use your thumb or whatever you want to make a sharp crease. With my months, I'm just going to make sure they are nice and even, squared at the bottom. Once I'm happy with how those look, I'm just going to use a little clip to keep them together. And then using a stapler, I'm going to get it all together. So, you can see there's about 1 centimeter right there. All the months, the name is in the exact same position, so having it look like that on January works out well. Take my stapler. I just line it up to where I think it's gonna look good, and I try to keep it just straight. And then same on this side. Gotta keep it flat. And if that's as far as you want to go, awesome. If you want to do a magnet, I got these sheets. They're 4 by 6. I just cut strips down to about like 2 3/4 of an inch long, and they're about 1 inch tall. They're just a little sticker. So peel the backing off and put it on the back. And then I'm done. I can put it on like a fridge or a locker, whatever sort of thing you have, or if you just want to keep one for your purse or at your desk at work. You could also put a magnet on the wall. That's actually what I do, so it's easy to attach to the wall. And then as the months go, you just tear off each month. Like I said, I have these files for sale on my Etsy. A link will be below in the description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.